Hey, Frank Smith here. If you like gritty rust, abstract compositions, and if you want to see some daytime live composites, well then stay tuned. I'll share my setups and my settings. Let's give it a go. Today's adventure takes me to a totally new place. I'm here in Steamtown, USA, actually part of the National Park Service, and some vintage trains all around us. Part of it is not open today, but yet we are free to roam the grounds, and as you can see behind me, we have some interesting trains. Let's see what the opportunities present for today. So we found an area where they have what appears to be a whole series of train cars abandoned, of course. Some amazing rust. A lot of these look like it's going to be a while before, if at all, that they'll be able to restore them. Some of these are in pretty bad shape, but the textures and the patterns on some of this is just amazing. Let's see what else we can do with these. Let's try some daytime live composite. For this to be reasonably successful, you'll need some moving clouds. In these images, I used a 10-stop neutral density filter with a 1-second interval for approximately 5 minutes.